Look, your clock in life is already ticking. You have limited time of life left to live. So why don't you sell some good products on Amazon? Down in the description of this video, you're gonna find the best Amazon FBA product research video ever. This is a 12-hour video that I created for you. Take it as a course or a training, but it's free. It's here on YouTube, it's a video, and down in the description of this video, it's a long video, you're gonna find the timestamps for this video. I'm laughing because of the way I entered the video. However, really, check out, it's in the description. This is gonna be a life-changing video for you if you wanna find better products to sell on Amazon. And that's true, your life clock is ticking. I wish you a great, long life. So go do awesome stuff. Check out the link down there. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Stay healthy as well. Bye.